AI is transforming how we work, how we think, and how we connect.
AI is already here. Let's use it on purpose.
It's really difficult to describe our AI journey in one word, but if I had to pin it down, I would say it has been transformative.
When I talk about curiosity, it's about trying to go and do something different.
For me, it's when it can help our customers to see opportunity or spot risk that they just couldn't see before.
We're at a point in time where you either lean in and get on board, or you're probably already being left behind.
We need to be the drivers of the technology. We need to adopt the technology, and we need to coexist.
We need companies like TD SYNNEX to help us with managing our way through that little maze that is picking the right vendors.
Such an important value that has been developed within TD SYNNEX that really enables partners to look at where are they in the journey, where do they want to get to, how do they get there? And Destination AI is all about how we can help them navigate those different steps.
The relationship we've got at TD SYNNEX UK is awesome, and we appreciate what they do for us.
For me, that blend of the trusted advisor with the components of the Destination AI program is what our partners derive most value from.